drop of coconut milk begins here, in tropical fields, where nature does the heavy lifting. Farmers meticulously select only the mature coconuts, guaranteeing optimal water and meat content before they begin their journey.
Only the best coconuts make it to the milk stage. Perfect shells, firm meat, and rich aroma. From farm to factory turn, the coconuts travel swiftly to preserve freshness.
Before the coconuts meet the machines, they face one last quality check. Every coconut is washed thoroughly to remove dirt and husk fibers before shelling.
Machines replace hours of manual labor, stripping away the tough outer layer to reveal the familiar brown shell. Each coconut is carefully cracked to preserve the meat and water inside. This step ensures pure, white coconut milk puerto, smooth and clean.
The coconut meat is shredded finely to maximize surface area for milk extraction.
Here, the coconut's rich milk is extracted under high pressure, separating liquid gold from fiber. Temperature and flow are carefully monitored to preserve flavor and freshness.
To achieve that perfect, creamy consistency, coconut milk is homogenized, blending fat and water so they never separate.
Each batch is tested for texture, aroma, and purity. Only batches that meet quality standards move ahead.
Pasteurization eliminates bacteria while locking in freshness.
Before it's packed, the coconut milk passes through one final filtration. This guarantees a shelf-stable, impurity-free product.
Every pack is filled with precision to ensure consistency. Now comes the brand's identity, Crentu. Every pack gets its label with precision.
Each pack is checked for perfect seals, accurate labeling, and clean presentation.
Precision matters. Each pack must contain the exact amount of coconut milk.
Automation ensures efficiency and safety during bulk packaging. Here, machines arrange boxes onto pallets for easy transport.
Before leaving the factory, coconut milk is stored in a temperature-controlled zone.
Every shipment is tracked digitally for accuracy and freshness.
Now the journey continues, from factory to market. Freshly packed coconut milk is on its way to the world.
Regional centers receive and distribute products to local stores.
After a long, precise journey, the coconut milk arrives where customers can find it. Before it reached the shelf, every pack was born from design.
Labels are printed using food-safe inks and coated for moisture resistance.
Great taste deserves great storytelling. Coconut milk, nature's creamiest gift.
Our message comes to life on camera. From sun to sip, again, 100% natural, endlessly smooth.
Every commercial needs a voice, one that feels as smooth as the product itself. Taste the strawberry drop.
Hours of footage become a 30-second masterpiece.
Beautiful visuals make every shopper stop and look.
That's the shot.
Next, the brand shares its journey with the world.
The campaign takes off. Consumers are loving the natural, creamy goodness.
Finally, coconut milk finds its home in your hands. From farm to flavor, the journey of coconut milk ends in every delicious sip.
Here, scientists explore new ways to make coconut milk even creamier. Every new blend must prove itself in the kitchen.
Innovation also means caring for the planet that gives us coconuts. Every sip should leave a lighter footprint. Prototypes are tested for strength, recyclability, and freshness retention.
Sustainability starts at the source.
Supporting local farmers ensures long-term growth.
Even after enjoying coconut milk, the journey continues. These recycled materials return as new packaging, closing the loop.
Education fuels sustainability.
Technology never sleeps. It makes every process cleaner and faster.
Every improvement, from farm care to robotics, brings us closer to perfect coconut milk. For a smoother world, one sip at a time.
From tropical shores to global stores, our coconut milk begins its international voyage.
Temperature-controlled containers ensure freshness across oceans.
On arrival, strict customs checks guarantee safety and quality.
Cleared for market.
Distribution centers abroad ensure coconut milk reaches every corner swiftly. The world's shelves are waiting.
From island sunshine to European isles, the taste of the tropics arrives.
Coconut milk unites kitchens across cultures. From Asia to Africa, every recipe shares one creamy heartbeat.
Collaborations multiply impact. Together, we turn every part of the coconut into something useful. Listening to consumers shapes the next chapter. Every review, every like, every photo fuels the future.
The team is buzzing with new ideas. How else can we enjoy coconut milk?